to another video. Today we're doing a Pokemon unboxing video. I have this here. So like and subscribe, comment down below something. Comment down below your third favorite Pokemon. So in here it includes one ready play 60 card deck, 3 reference card, 1 rule booklet, single player playmat, damage counters, 1 large Electro! The camera! I was playing with the kitty. There you go. I saw something like this because I barely just woke up. And I said, let's just get this over with because me and Alex want to battle. Alright.
I didn't want to do it.
Huh?
I didn't want to do it because I wanted to sleep.
Well, damage counter, 1 large medical coin, 1 deck box, 1 quickie guide to unlock the strategies within, 1 code card to play this deck online. So this costed
like $70.
$70. So if you
Plus
that,
tax.
No,
it was
16
16
plus tax.
Yeah.
But it's pretty. It's beautiful coin. I really love it. It's so cute. Acha, the camera.
Look at I'm finding something that I was on the shelf. Okay, let's go.
Or beautiful coin.
It's nice and shiny.
We'll put it at the camera. The light at the camera. I can see the light.
It's like when you put it right here, it's shiny. Like I even got this.
Also shiny.
I even got this from Target. I found it. Her name's Catbug. Catbug.
And then
That was
code
just
card.
awkward right now.
And a big pile of cards. I actually thought we were gonna get like booster pack, but no. So Electra, look.
What's right here? Luna, you want to show your face? Luna, you
Oh,
want
she's right there. Okay.
I want her to show her face. Luna.
Come on.
No, I just want to show her. She's cute. You can't see right now because she doesn't like. She wants to hide right now. There you go.
Oh, okay. While you're looking over there, we're now popping these out. Okay, we have damage counters, which I really wanted these right here. There's 110 and 50.
Add
So-
all those together equals 160. What is it?
1,
Ow,
2,
Luna.
3.
Nana! Oh, Aiden, remember the bet
What bet?
about the chocolate and the lollipop?
Yeah. 1, 2,
You give
3,
that chocolate.
4, 5.
Will you count that?
520.
I'll tell them about the bet.
No, it's okay, I already finished. 520. So we're gonna open this last. I already showed you the code card.
God, that's a lot of stuff.
Oh. You already get the well, we need to look at this. What?
Wait, pause. I need, no, not like for real pause, it's just that it was coming down. There you go. Wait. your whole body to fit.
So we have like a roll.
No, we need to get her out. We need to get her out.
What?
She's about to pee in my bed. Get her out. She's doing the rubby thing. Right.
Off you go over there. And then we got this awesome
There you
Venusaur that came in the.
go. No, the Venusaur was not in there.
Now he has a buddy, a big buddy.
A big buddy.
The other ones are in here.
What happened to the big baby one?
Those even were missing. I'm pretty sure I have more, but I don't know where they are. Okay. Can you even see me?
Yeah.
Okay. So we have this, I'm pretty sure a roll guide. Yeah. And the other side is the enemy. So we already got that. I'm not going to read all that because I don't want to take up all your time.
Oh,
A
yeah.
V battle deck, quick start rules.
There's 6 minutes in.
So I'm going to random page. Oh my god, the voice cracked. Random page. And that's it. Here, I'll show you all pages, but you can pause it and read it for yourself.
Wait. I don't know why this camera.
Electra. Get something else. Get the thing that you always use to carry the book. The camera.
Okay, this one fits. There.
Okay, so I'm just going to flip every page and you guys can read it for
Wait.
yourself.
It's tiny words.
Can you see that?
It's blurry. It's clean. I think you can. Okay.
You can read it by yourself. I can read it whenever I want to know how to play the game. Even though I sort of already know how to play.
It shows you. Stop putting it in the bottom.
So your bench card goes right here. Oh, so sorry. I was putting it this. So like I was saying, your bench card go right here.
Really don't want to play because I rage at the game.
Your items go right here. Your crown of coins go right there whenever you need. Whenever like you do 30 for him, I have him. I don't have Sobble. Okay, like that. And just say the Pokemon evolves, then the counter coins go on the person that evolved too. And then you can read that. And then that. And then that. And that's it. You can read that by yourself if you want to. Put that over there. You still have 3 stuff to go through. I want to open this. I literally want to open this ever since. Let's see what it is. Ooh, it's cards. There's 3 cards. Special edition. Special condition poison. What are special conditions? Sleep, burn, confusion, paralyzed, poison. How do I remove special edition? Move the Pokemon to the bench and evolve the Pokemon. 2 ways. There's a back.
It's going to be taking over me. Catbug's going to be taking over me because I need a chill.
I'm going to need to read this because I never knew how to take away paralyzed, poison, all that. So, that's the last thing. The second last thing. Oh, I see his hand. Whoa. Look, guys. This is what you get. Can You see it fully?
Cat bug is fixing it. She said it's really cool.
Cool poster in the back.
In real life, it looks so cool.
What is in real life?
No, like.
Because you guys are looking at it on the camera. But like, if you're looking at it from here, cool. Really cool. So I'm gonna put, is your basic card? He's a basic. You can tell by right there.
Basic.
So,
So I can use them?
yeah.
Oh.
The active spot goes right here. And then the bench Pokemon go right here. Discard pile, your deck, and oh, there it is. These are the prize cards. Which every time you beat a Pokemon, your prize card, you can always get one prize card. So this is gonna help a lot. Put that in the floor because nowhere else. So you can get into the final thing. Okay.
Cat bug is in again. Oh gosh, you can't see your head. It looks like you have no hair. Okay, yes.
Okay, so we have an energy, another fire energy active.
Oh my god.
Fire energy, fire energy, fire energy, hop, Vulpix, Score Bunny, Switch, that's cool, Dan, fire energy, Reboot, Great Ball, Ninetales, fire energy, fire energy.
I think we're not gonna get anything good in there.
Milo. Well, no, this is just like a pack that you can just grab it and battle with.
Oh, that's so sad.
Professor of Research, Cinderace, Fire Energy, Gym Trainer, Dominican, Bidet, Fire Energy, Hop again, Cheddar. Ooh, cool.
Guys, I need to tell you something. Well, yesterday we saw a big Snorlax, and he cost a lot. He was a teddy bear one.
How much did it cost? I didn't see
I don't know. Did you see it? I thought he got a lot. Well, either way, and then we saw a big coil that this guy had, and he had the Snorlax. He had a big Lucario, and it was cool.
Yeah.
By the way, this cat bug is taking.
Protector, Fire Energy, Evaluation, Lessons, Hop, Reboot, Fire Energy, Sonia, Vulpix. Do that Vulpix. Squirt Bunny, Fire Energy, Leaf Ball, Senekino, Bidet, Gym Trainer, again, Medicino, Fire Energy, Dan, Great Ball, Milo, Fire Energy, Cinderace, Switch, Fire Energy, Score Bunny, Ninetales, Vulpix, Leaf Ball, Fire Energy, Professor Research, Shut Up, Hop.
Catbug said this is starting to get boring because it's all like throwing cards in the desk.
Well, it's already finished.
Oh, she said good.
I don't like Catbug. I don't like Catbug.
The daddies come and go.
Because they're safe. Slasher. Okay.
She said you're rude, and she's gonna take over Catbug.
Just stare at him. Well, with that out of the way, we got a cool. We're gonna get this thing that had more Pico Snorlax and another Pokemon, and like 2 booster packs. I think we should have got that one. But this one's cool. This one teaches us how to play. It has cards. It got a good coin. Pretty cool card. So with that out of the way, like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.
Wait,
Goodbye.
wait. She's gonna say goodbye. She was a person. Oh, you're gonna get
Goodbye.